Hi, my name is John Lamb. I'm the current general manager of Pizza Hut. I was awarded the 2022 SRC Disability Employment and Inclusion Award. Being recognized for the award means to me that I feel like I've given disability kids a chance in the workforce, and sometimes they would not, because some people don't show. So, it gives them a chance. I feel proud that I can give someone a chance. So I was first approached by Misty from VR to do some student job shadows. So my first initial experiences, it surprised me that some of these kids actually do want to work and actually want to do. They do a good job, and sometimes it doesn't all work out. So I mean, I've actually hired a couple of kids that on the staff after their work experiences. So and they enjoyed the job. So what has benefited partnering with Direct VR is just um, getting getting some extra stuff done throughout the day. So as an extra person here, and I can see what they can do by portioning or cleaning stuff up, and then that's the way they can help us. So and then they enjoy this experience too. So if a business is hesitant to partner with the Grass VR, I just give them a chance. Just try it. Doesn't hurt because all the stuff is being covered by Grass VR, and they have a helper with them too, so it helps out a lot too. So I just give them a chance.